what better way to celebrate the milestone achievement of 1,000 subscribers than by showing you some grotty pictures of my bathroom shower screen. The bathroom isn't that old, it's only about 2 years old, but this shower screen is just really nasty. I don't know quite why. I do clean the bathroom and I do clean the actual screen, but this little plastic strip, oh, it's minging. So I needed to try and make that better. So first of all, I had to take the old one off and look at the state on that. It's horrible. It used to be nice and clean. I don't know quite why it's that bad, but it was nice to try and finally clean around and under that bit. And I wanted to make sure I had the glass nice and clear and removed of any kind of nonsense before we got the nice new screen in place. So that's all nice and, well, almost fingerprint free. But of course it never truly will be. So I picked up from Screwfix just a new shower screen type rubbery thing. The name escapes me. It came in like a 2 meter length. So all I had to do was just line it up and take a standing knife to it, basically. Yeah. The knife probably wasn't as sharp as it should have been, so it took a little bit of going through, but got there in the end. And once that was done, it was just a matter of trying to fit that slowly and carefully to that screen. Now, even though I know this is screwed to the wall and I know that it's quite secure, I never quite trust that. So I'm always very wary about applying too much pressure to the bottom of that screen. So I was a little bit more cautious than I probably needed to be, but all I was really doing was just slotting the bottom of that plastic onto the bottom of the glass. And once I did that and got it all snapped in place, it looked like it did the trick. So there we are. That's looking 100% cleaner, and I'm pretty sure that in about 2 years' time, it'll probably be mouldy, manky, and dank as all hell.